Today we're going to be creating this magnificent look. And you know the bane of every makeup routine is your skincare, your primer, then your foundation. And we're not going to skip any of that today. So this is way too much foundation I pumped out, but you can use whatever you want to your taste. And of course, blush to add some color to bring back warmth on my face. So make sure you blend every single step properly before moving on to the next. Okay, coming up next is the concealer, just so to add some more brightness to the under eyes, to the T-zone areas. So use generously. You can go for minimalistic, you can go overboard. It's all up to you, honey. And today I'm obviously going overboard because that is way too much concealer. Hello? These are not even free products. Goodness. I need to actually reduce the quantity I use. And of course, you have to let your concealer marinate. Let it sit before you go ahead to blend it. Okay? Never forget that part. Never ever forget that part, because that is literally what's going to make your concealer have a smooth blend, a smooth finish. Take it from me. Let it sit before you blend. Blend till your arm falls off. Yes. Don't stop blending. If your arms don't hurt, you haven't even started. So make sure you blend and blend and blend and blend and blend till there are no harsh lines whatsoever. Adding some more blush. Then we're going in with some setting powder. Translucent powder. For all the T-zone areas, I literally just put it on every part of my face because I did not want some shines and stuff. So you can just do whatever you want. I used it for my mouth area to conceal my smile line areas. And of course, what is a makeup routine without brows? So I went in with my brow tamer and some brow pomade, and ta-da! This is what we have so far. You gotta highlight, conceal the brow bones and stuff just so you give it more definition. You can totally skip this part if you're going for a very natural, no makeup look, but if not, outline your brows with concealer that is 2 or 3 shades lighter than you, and towards the inner corner you are to use your skin shade of powder of concealer. Do you understand? And the outer corner should be brighter, okay, just for highlights. Then I'm transitioning my eyeshadow. Today I just went with green. I don't know what was going on, but I ended up loving it. I mean, green with envy. So today's lip combo is something else, because why was I adding so much black on my lips? Hello, girl. Easy with the blackness. You're not some widow, are you? And I'm wearing all black to boot. Oh my god. Sorry about this eyelash part, because I literally could not find the rest of the video. But at this point, you have to press it down, okay, for it to hold. And ta-da! Your setting spray, and you are done. You are DONE. So if you watched this video to this point, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe for more, because there's definitely more of these videos coming up. Better and better videos are coming up, okay? Bye!